Facebook. How are we this morning? Another bright and sunny day here in Cheshire. It's not bright, it's not sunny, but hey ho, we've had a delivery. I've come in this morning and look what's turned up. DC lubricants, diesel emissions detox pro. Look at that, eh? So yeah. So for those of you that don't know, our awesome community partners, Diagnostic Connections and DC Tuning. They've launched a new company, new brand range of emissions and DPF treatments and DPF treatments, and they've sent us some samples. So we've got some really good tier 1 products to go on the shelves. Look at that. Engine oil flush, petrol and diesel. Awesome. What else have we got? Let's have a look. Emissions Detox Pro, petrol. And what's this one? That's another petrol one. Flush. There'll be some diesel in here somewhere. There we go. Detox Pro diesel. So we're now fully stocked with the new DC lubricants, fuel additives, engine flushes, stuff like that. And this will be, I would imagine, this will be the clean and flush, I would imagine. Let's have a look. I wonder whether they've sent us any Haribos. Morning Richard, morning Danny. No worries mate. Morning Jace, how are you mate? Get this. Oh, got a sticker. Yes. To go on the gun, and there we go. Clean and flush kits. Absolutely awesome. So two-part clean and flush. Try not to slice my fingers off as I'm opening it. Oh hey Jace, how's Australia mate? Is it good? You got a nice bright sunny day? So there we go. There's the flush. DPF rinse. And there's the clean soak. Morning Stuart, how are we? So for all your, let's turn the camera around. Come on camera. Well, it's all a bit slow this morning. There we go. So for all your DPF problems, come and see us down at Simply Diagnostics, Dutton Business Centre. 32 degrees. It's not 32 degrees here mate. Look at that sun behind me. There's none of it. Morning Andre, how are you mate? Morning Stuart, morning Stephen. Yeah, so there you go. We've got some good kit there. Can't wait to get stuck in. And funnily enough, we've got a little Audi A1 outside, just been dropped off with a DPF issue. So there we go, little Audi there with a DPF problem. We'll get that sorted. So there you go. Come and see us. Unit 11, Dutton Business Centre, for all your DPF problems. Find your local DPF doctor specialist if you're not in Northwich. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. You're awesome.